Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. If you have been following along, you know that this is just another continuation video in the series learning how to get into front end development. In this video, what we're going to do is finish out making that basic web page, that basic landing page that we started with a couple videos back. And so let's get right into it. Like, what's the topic? Styling HTML, CSS. The same thing as last time. We're just gonna keep going. And so I already got it pulled up right here. So go pull yours up and let's hop right back into it. And so this is where we left off last time. Last time we have our header, and we see our HTML is styled up just as the HTML is styled up in the header for the website that we're trying to copy. So next we'll see that there's these three sections. So let's scroll down. We see these three sections. We have section right here, and you see that they have an ID: section A, section B, section C. So in ours, let's create these three sections. Remember, we're making the same website, so I'm just going to create the three sections. I usually like to put comments. I'm going to say, this is the header section. Just something like that. And then after the header section, I'll say, this is where the sections start. Sections start. Like that. And now I can say section, and I want to give it an ID. Shortcut is like this, hashtag. So you say section hashtag. This will give it an ID, and the section ID was section A. And then using Shift and Option on a Mac with the arrow key down, you can create. You can create the shortcut just like that. So you got section A, B, and C. Cool. That's what we needed. Okay, let's see what's inside of section A. Inside of section A is just a P tag. So let's add that P tag inside of section A. Section A, P tag. What's inside the P tag? Got some lorem. Okay, that just copied the three dots. Let's open this up. Oh wait, there we go. Cool. Copy that lorem. Add that over here. Sweet. Cool. So let's go to this tag. Oh, same thing, or same section. In this section, they have just a P tag as well. So let's go copy that information and add a P tag. Enter. Cool. Okay, and now we're at section C. Let's see what section C is about. Let's close that P tag in that section. Close that P tag in that section. And let's open up section C. Section C has three divs. One that says box 1, box 2, that's class box 1, box 2, box 3. Okay, so inside of section 3, it'll say div, and we've got to add a class, so we say dot. This is a shortcut to add a class, like this, dot class. And so our class is box A. And using the shortcut Shift Option with the arrow key down, 1, 2, 3. There we go. We can change this to box B and box C. Cool. So we're cooking. Or not BC. 1, 2, 3. Cool. Cooking. Now, inside the box, or inside of the boxes, we have simply just text. So let's just grab a text. Box 1, text. Cool. Box 2 is going to have some text. Oh, looks like the same text. It's in all three boxes. Cool. So just there and there. Cool. So we take a look at it. This is what our HTML looks like. Let's see if our website is going to look exactly like that website. And we go refresh the page. And let's see, not at all. Like, our website is nothing like that website. And why isn't it like that website? you guessed it, we don't have any CSS styling added. So let's go add some CSS styling so that our website can look like this. So let's go, I like to go top down. So we're going to start at section 1. What's happening inside of section 1? Let's check out the styling. So in section A has some styling on it. It has a padding of 20 pixels, has a background color, and then it has the color, and then it has text align. So actually, I'm just going to go add this to section A in the code. So I need, remember section A, let's go take a look. Section A is an ID. And so I want to select this section which with the ID. So the way that I select that section with the ID is I say hashtag, what is that section name? That section name is section A, like that. And now I'm just going to paste all the styling from the browser onto section A. And let's see what that does on section A. Cool. Okay, so it gives me a little bit more to work with section A. Okay, I'm messing with section A now. So we got section A is good, but obviously it looks a little different because the text inside. So they must have some styling on their text. So let's go inside. Let's click on the P tag, and on the P tag, let's see the P tag. Did I miss something? Maybe the line height. Oh yeah, so I missed the line height over here on the body. So I think I need to add some line height on the body to make that more. Let me see, line height. I think that will. Yeah, okay, cool. And the line height on the body automatically space these out for me. So cool, we added that spacing out. That's pretty good. The line height. Didn't need anything else to look like. Yep, don't look like I need anything else. Nope. Yeah, it looks pretty similar. Okay, moving on to the next section. Okay, section A was easy. You see? And right now we don't really understand the CSS properties, but you can kind of just read them. It says section A, the padding is 20, the background colors, or the background is this, the color is that. You can kind of start inferring. But I'm gonna get a little bit more deeper into it soon, but I'm telling you the easy way to make the websites. This is the easy way. Soon, all you gotta do is start going and start Googling, how do I make this background this, or how do I center this with Flexbox? And you'll start seeing that learning it this way and then Googling your way through it is way better than sitting trying to learn every single property. It's ridiculous. Okay, so we're on section B. I'm just gonna take section B's padding like we did before, and we'll create a section B. Hashtag section B. And I know that we're going to need a section C, so I'll just do that like that, and do section C as well. And then I'll paste that, and that's my section B. Cool. And now we need section C, which has, okay, section C just has display flex. So remember when I told you display flex, it's going to put everything, it's going to make section C a container. So section C now is a container with display flex. But right now you can see it doesn't have anything. But when I refresh it, this line right here is going to be a column. This is going to be a column. And this is going to be a column to where they're lined up 1, 2, 3, like 1, 2, 3, rather than 1, 2, 3. That's how they're going to be. And so let's refresh the page, and you'll see now we got 1, 2, 3 automatically. Display flex puts them in the same row, but different columns automatically, and we can change that with display or with row or flex direction equals column. But we're gonna keep it as row because obviously we want to keep it just like that, make it so that these can look similar. And it looks like all we need now on box A is just a background color and the color. And the same thing on box 3, or box 1 and box 3 are going to be same. So we can say box 1, we're going to say dot box 1. And then we can say comma box or dot box 3. So this says this selects box 1 and box 3, and it sets their background color or to that and their color to that. So let's refresh. Oh wait, one refresh. Almost done. Do these have any padding? Oh, okay. These ones don't even have padding on theirs. Oh wait, this is mine. Do these have any padding? Okay, and it says section C div has some padding. It looks like section C div. So section C would be this section, and then the div on that section. So this is all three of these divs. That's what it selected, all three of these divs, and they have padding. So let's copy that over so we can do that. Add the padding to all of them. So section C, and it has div padding 20 pixels. Cool. We're almost done. If not done, actually, I think we are done. So we check out box 2. Box 2 has the color. Oh yeah, we're done. So let's take a look at our website versus their website. Let's see that we do it right. Close that out. Close this out. Okay, take a look. Take a look. And look, this one looks a little different because, I mean, we used the button instead of an A tag, but it's pretty similar for real, for real. I mean, we could have just added a little bit more padding on this button and we could get that to look just like this. But look, I mean, and you can see this is our website, right? This is our website. This isn't their website. Like this is the one we made from scratch. This theirs right there. As you can see, that's their website, and then this is ours. That's wild, isn't it? And so we can scroll down and you can see the whole exact same thing, man. We literally made the exact website just by copy and pasting the CSS code. And so that's what I was just trying to break down to y'all, for real, in this, is that you don't really, so with web development, you shouldn't, in this whole series, what I've been trying to show y'all is with web development, HTML and CSS specifically, you shouldn't have to remember all of this stuff. You need to understand these concepts. You need to understand what you're doing. You're trying to move elements. You're trying to style element, or you're trying to style a specific element. You kind of really got to break it down this simple. And even those complicated websites can be broken down back to something this simple. You can break it down to something this simple to where it's not stressing you out to knock out to understand what's going on. You're just breaking it down from div to div is what we're doing with development. And how I think of it, you can say div to div, you can say container to container, you can say component to component, but that's the front end web development right there. And so over the next few videos, I'm tighten these videos up, but over the next few videos, I'm gonna really start putting in just little filler things that I didn't fill in you all in. But if you followed these videos so far and you take the initiative to start learning on yourself, what you will see is that these videos that I have out right now is your introduction and to learning how to be a developer to begin with, to start off with just a little bit of knowledge, but start Googling your way through that knowledge, or through that project and through whatever you're trying to create, to expand that knowledge to be exactly what you need. And so thank you. Here, you know the basics of HTML and CSS styling. And now in these next videos, we're going to get real specific. We're going to learn JavaScript, and we're going to really take off. So once again, I just thank y'all. Follow your boy, all that jazz on the gram, and drop a subscribe and a like. I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, y'all. Peace.